Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can unsubscribe from email on your Outlook account, or also known as Hotmail. Now Hotmail's name has changed into Outlook, so don't get confused when I say Outlook, alright? Or even if it shows you Outlook, don't get confused. So to unsubscribe from email on Hotmail, what you want to do is open the mail which you want to unsubscribe from. Let's say I want to unsubscribe from this mail called Asus Web Store. I can click on it. Once I click on it, this thing will open up. Now from over here, I just need to click on where it says unsubscribe, which is going to be at the top of the mail. Once I click on unsubscribe, it's going to show you this. Now what this basically says is we will unsubscribe you from future emails sent from Asus Web Store. Now if I click on OK, then I will be unsubscribed from Asus Web Storage. Once that happens, I'm not going to get any new email from Asus, alright? So this is basically how you guys can unsubscribe from email on your Hotmail or your Outlook. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel, how to guide for future videos just like this. I will be seeing you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.